I'm honored to be invited this evening to officiate in the launching of the Fiji National Rugby League 2019 Vodafone Cup launch. More delightful is the fact that this is my first engagement with FNRL as Assistant Minister of Sports, and I look forward to a continued partnership in this important sport. Ladies and gentlemen, Rugby League is known to have created successful pathways for many of our rugby players over the years. Many were identified playing in our local tournaments, such as the Vodafone Cup competition, and I must commend on the sponsors for their support in the game. We are gifted with talented players, and the partnership between Vodafone and Fiji National Rugby League ensures that these players receive the best there is to offer in our local tournaments. I'm optimistic that this year will be a great year for Fiji National Rugby League, as witnessed in the growth in numbers of clubs over the years. As a rugby union-dominated country, the success shown in the growth of rugby league is astounding, and this is reflected in the number of players who have ventured to ply their trade overseas, and in doing so become famous, playing for their respective clubs overseas after being identified in local tournaments. Government on its part fully supports the development of rugby league in the country, and I wish the Vodafone Cup all the success for this year. On that note, I wish to remind you all on the importance of good governance in sports. Good governance in sports is a foundation for building sports excellence in any country. It is therefore important that office bearers uphold its principles of accountability, transparency, and equity for the good conduct of the club and its impending plans. I call on each of you to work together for the fulfillment of your combined aspirations. Before I conclude, I want to urge you to look ahead to the future and work towards the continued success of rugby league in the country. Once again, I wish you all the success for the 2019 Vodafone Cup, and may you continue striving for bigger and better achievements. Ladies and gentlemen, I now have much pleasure in launching the Fiji National Rugby League 2019 Vodafone Cup. Vinaba Lebu, and may you all have a good evening.